little roaches.
What?
Feather shoes.
Oh.
So I woke up 6 o'clock in the morning to come to Jeonju. I am excited. I didn't do this because I wanted to.
She did it for me. Eating everything and drinking all the moju.
Already.
From 12 in the afternoon, we gonna get our drink on.
Damn girl, you hungry?
I am.
Okay, good. There's a space here, so I'm wondering what's gonna be here. Why was it gonna be here? She put her hair up. How much of this can we finish?
Our mamas did not raise.
Tastes like una medicina that my mom gives me. I'm an original.
Like 17 of them, okay? Not one less, not one more.
Understand you, but I don't think we're compatible. Cause the things you do have people around you, and I'm a friend, but will you treat me like
Ale. That's a cute photo, wait.
the things you do have people around you?
Grandma. It's good.
There we go. Gonna get some tea. So you got this, yo?
We'll see. I don't understand. Put water in the teapot, measured it in 2 cups, put it in the same dish.
Tasty.
Yum. Are you recording? No.
I like them. I like them. Like I like raisin bran. But take out the raisins. But take out the raisins. Tastes so good. Tastes so good. Were you supposed to eat the whole thing?
Oh no.
That's good. Alright.
There.
Today's episode, we are searching for the best food in Jeonju. Please come along. Wow, look, there's a man. He might be late for work. We don't know.
And to be honest, we don't even need the best food. We just need food to grow this panza. Do you want one?
I don't know with cheese though.
Yo, the cheese is the best part. What the fuck are you talking about?
I might give me diarrhea.
Will be so worth it.
Alright, fried. Takoyaki.
Yeah.
Next place we're gonna go to? Bad VR. It's curved. Did you know?
That means, but
Yeah. What is Ale doing? Daga 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 da da da. Oh. I couldn't finish this, so I'm taking it with me to the Norebang. Ding 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 ding. I mean,
this is a baby one.
do you want a baby? Ale's finally getting her. You happy? I was gonna get one, but I told myself maybe I should not eat that much because all of this is gonna hit me later on, and then I'm gonna be like, ugh. Also, not surprised. We're in a Norebang.
What happens next time?
man.